Yeah, we're just following a
Just don't
tour
watch
group.
this video.
Yeah, just don't watch this video. We don't know where we are going. Can't give you any more information. I don't have any information. If you want to buy magnets, buy them from here. If they can withstand this wind, they're not. They can withstand anything. Believe me. I think we're taking the wrong road. This is just for the vehicles. We should have been on that side. Venice. Not really Venice, but little Venice. We are still at the top of... What's wrong with my hat? Yeah, we're still at the top of the windmills. We'll probably be heading back now. Just put my hat on because it's comparatively less windier here. And there's less wind, if that's grammatically correct. And now we are heading through the town back to the port area. There's an olive tree. How nice is this? You've got some olives here. Some green olives. I guess olive harvest season is October if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's October. Hey, olive harvest, is it October?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's not harvest time yet, that's why they're still green and raw.
That's a nice picture in this little blue house.
Yeah, this is gonna be a beautiful...
We still got the time. It's 3:30.
Ooh, we are walking back into the wind. It's windy again! Windy! It's gonna fly away, I'm pretty sure. This is like a residential area. Yeah. My God. Everything is so beautiful. Neither do I. I just hope that this leads to another street and that leads to another one. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is so... This looks a little interesting. It's a pretty busy cafe. Whoa, hey! Beautiful church, I agree. And this is a beautiful little square. Which way? Record.
I record. Brandon is choosing a hat in Mykonos.
You don't need to say that.
He found one. That says Mykonos. He's taking all the souvenirs to Ladakh.
Okay, I found my Mykonos hat.
So now he's going to buy.
Of course.
Happy?
Yes. Thank you.
Now Brandon is going to buy for me a purse at Louis Vuitton.
गोलू झूठ बोल रही है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Hey, the fridge magnets.
Let's walk to the pier.
Okay, yeah.
At the pier.
Yeah, it's like €1. So we saw fridge magnets at the pier where we get our sea bus back. It's about like €1 per magnet. I'm gonna get a couple.
Y esa es fibra de carbono negra, esta era fibra de carbono azul.
Oops.
¿Te acuerdas que me dijiste que yo encontraba una fibra de carbono y la compraba? Ya la encontré ahorita.
Imagine, I'm just thinking that it's this busy when there's just 2 ships in the bay. What about when there's 5 ships in the bay, huh? You remember Brilliance pulls in, and then you have Celebrity, you got Odyssey as usual, and then you have Norwegian or some other company. It's like when there's 5 ships in the bay and they have 15,000 people, this place must be going crazy. You literally wouldn't have any place to walk on the streets. There's just two ships, I think so, at the moment. Yeah. This is a beautiful cafe.
Walk through.
Look at how beautiful this little alley is. Let's talk about that gentleman over there.
Look who's sleeping.
Yeah, no, we got plenty of cats in India. It's just that cats in Mykonos are special because they are in Mykonos.
Yeah. They are the brand of
Yeah, they are Mykonos branded cats. Every little road leads up to a little square like this, and there's like beautiful trees. I'm pretty sure we're heading the wrong direction.
No, I found some stores.
Found some stores? Okay, yeah. Looks like we connected again to some spot. Looks like we are not lost again, we are found.
Yeah.
The Greek flag.
Well, depends your way.
Is it right or left?
Down that way.
Right.
I literally don't know where I'm going. Yeah.
And we follow the birds.
Yeah, correct. To freedom. It's like a concept sunglass store. Yeah.
See, if I get lost, something there. The cat.
Beautiful streets. Technically very advanced. Every twist and turn has something fancy, an ATM or something. Yeah. And then all of a sudden we find we're a mile away from where we're supposed to go to. I don't think so. Are you sure? It's a bakery. Cactus. Hey, we're lost, Fernanda. We're lost in Mykonos. Oh, jeez!
It's the end of Mykonos.
We come the wrong way. Mykonos ended on that turn there. And we were following Fernanda. As per Fernanda, we had to make a right at that junction. And we ended up to a point where the road ends. Hurry hell no. Hunger's kicking in because I went to the gym and then I didn't eat anything. I'm starving now. Jesus Christ.
Let's connect to Google.
Let's ask somebody. You have a SIM card. Why don't you connect? Because my SIM doesn't even work here.
We're going to ask Navita. We are lost. And let's follow this one.
Yeah, let's walk a little faster because now we want to get back to the sea bus because I'm feeling really hungry now. And I hope in a few years from now when I see this video I'll be laughing. Fernanda, when you'll be watching this video in a few years from now, I'm sure you'll be laughing that we got lost in Mykonos. Yeah, we're just following a
Just don't
tour
watch
group.
this video.
Yeah, just don't watch this video. We don't know where we are going. Can't give you any more information. I don't have any information.
Where we should go now? Oh, Louis Vuitton. Is that where you have to?
You sure?
Yes, Louis Vuitton is here as well. Look here how beautiful I think. Orthodox church. Yeah. You don't like it? Sure, it's that way though.
Okay. Okay. So now we stopped following the big group we were following because we then realization hit Fernanda that that's the wrong direction. Bravo, Fernanda. Now I feel better, Fernanda. I feel like we have found our path back again. You had your lunch, right?
I had because I'm smart.
Because she's smart, she had her lunch.
At 12 o'clock. I didn't go to the gym. I go to the gym at night.
So I had my workout session and then I said, Fernanda, I need to go and eat. And then her response was, don't tell me you are going to eat now.
Yes.
So I
Because
thought
it was 2 p.m. already. It took half an hour to put makeup on.
so we're trying to
And
find
you know
our way
what was
back.
The lunch was pizza today.
Now I'm feeling even hungrier.
You like pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, it was so delicious.
That's a fancy bench there.
The icon of the Anamera monastery.
What you said about this, Fernanda?
What's your personal
There's a legend
Okay.
that they found about the monastery icon.
Okay.
Half of the year stay in Anamera,
Yeah.
and half of the year they bring here.
Oh, there's an icon in Anomera that they bring it to this place for half of the year.
Yes.
Interesting, I didn't know that. So many beautiful eateries. Lots and lots of places to hang out. I'm sure the food is beautiful too. I mean, tasty too. It's just, you can't get enough of Mykonos in a day. You'll have to stay here for a bit.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you can if you know exactly where you're going or where you're heading to. But just to explore, oh my god, look at the fridge magnets. There's some more up there. And there. Finally, I can see the ship. Woo. God bless us. Alright, so I'll just call this video to an end. I'll end the video here because I've shown you, Fernanda and I have shown you Mykonos Town. Maybe we go to
Secrets of Mykonos Town. No one knows, only us.
Alright.
You have a choice.
Maybe 5 years, 10 years from now when I watch this video, it'll be so funny. Alright.